Alright, welcome back, cruisers. Today we are in Nassau Bahamas and we are going to the Baja Mar. So it's going to be a water park. So we're going to do that one today, and the next one we're going to try is the Atlantis. But for today we're doing the Baja water park for the first time, so we are super excited. And we are just waiting here. We got right off the Liberty of the Seas and we are on the pier. Meeting time is 15 minutes before the excursion. It is 6 hours long, so that's cool. It's a long time. And yeah, let's go. We're just waiting. We're going to take a bus there. It's a 10 to 15 minute ride. And we're just waiting for everybody to show up, and then we're on our way. It's really pretty. I love that it's not super sunny, although the sun's starting to come out right now. I think we were sunned out from yesterday. When you first come in, there's lockers and restrooms. All right, the water's a little chilly, but here we go. We're going into the lazy river, and I feel like it's a not so lazy river, right? Whatever, we're going backwards. Oh, that's not a good sign. I'm trying to move us. You've got protecting yourself. The problem is, you've got protecting yourself. Thank you. Uh-oh. I'm just going to find a spot over here on the left so we can see our bag and stuff. Also, one more thing. They do have locker rentals here. I don't know how much they are, but it kind of stinks because if you put your stuff, I feel like the resort is so big that if you put your stuff all the way in the locker at the beginning, if you need something, you're gonna have to walk all the way back to get it. This bag that I bought, it's like a dry bag. It is the coolest thing. So over here, it's got a lock, and you literally just lock it, and you can just attach it right to the chair, and it's been so cool. So I put all my valuable stuff in the waterproof bag and lock it to the chair. Nobody can get into it. I mean, I guess if they have scissors, they could cut it off and move along with their day, but for the most part, it's awesome. I've been able to just move it around with us to each spot, and it's been awesome. So yeah, so I just tied the whole bag, and I put the waterproof bag inside my beach bag, which rolls, and I literally take that thing everywhere. It is the best. Austin's saying it's cold, so that is not a good sign. Is it cold? Ah, it is cold. Actually, it's about the same temperature as yesterday. Maybe a little colder. I don't know about this. It's a little chilly. It looks like it's cold. I wonder if it's deeper, because it's a little bit warmer, I feel like. Oh, it is deeper. It's 6 foot. Let's just let him get in there, and then he's going to think I'm going to go in the wave pool with him. Oh, this is the back route to all of the water slides. All right, so this one you carry the tube up.
Catch me. Hi, welcome to do this. Just back.
Woohoo!
Ready?
Yes.
Come on. I'm gonna shake the tube, all right?
All right. Thank you. was a bit much because the tubes are kind of heavy, but that was really fun. Yeah, great ride for sure. All right, now we're gonna try the, oh wait,
Group raft slide.
that's this way. It says this, oh. All right, we're lost because we've never been here before.
We're lost. You're lost.
I'm lost. All right, so we are going to, I wonder what the difference, Cyclone Rush or the Hammerhead. Look at this drop right there. Wow. Woo! This is nice though. It's got the conveyor belt that brings up the raft.
We could go up on the conveyor.
So this is going to be a little easier to walk up. Here we go, Cyclone Rush and the Hammerhead.
I don't think you're tall enough.
Oh no, 48 inches.
I don't feel very protected.
I feel like I'm going backwards.
I got you.
Cool. Oh my gosh!
It's a total
Woo! What'd you think of that one?
That's fun.
It was short, but the toilet bowl thing was a little much. Oh, look at this. Sweet dreams start with ice cream. It smells amazing in here. Ooh. Look at all this candy. Oh my gosh, how adorable. Everything looks really good. Looks like cherry on top on Carnival. Alright, so they don't have milkshakes there. That's just like the sugar factory kiosk. And we want milkshakes. So we are going to trek around this entire Baja Mar so that we can get to the sugar factory at the Grand Hyatt. And we have 40 minutes to do this. 40 minutes there and back. So that we don't miss our bus. We don't want to miss our bus. All right, here we go. We made it to the Grand Hyatt, maybe? This doesn't look like it though. Excuse me, how do we get to the sugar factory?
Oh, we're going that way.
Yeah.
When you go that way,
Yeah.
when you come, once you go over the hill, it could be a little hill.
Right here to the left? This
No,
path?
let me show you.
No.
You're going that way, that entrance.
Oh, over there.
Yeah, or you can go this way. Once you reach around that way, check about it right there.
Oh,
You can't
awesome.
miss it.
Thank you. Whew. No, that's not it. It says the chicken. Oh, the kitchen. The chicken kitchen. I don't know. We're on our way. Hopefully we're on our way. Long walk for a milkshake. It took us 20 minutes to get here, but we made it to the sugar factory. Oh, this might hold us up a little bit. Come on. Oh, yeah, fish look with that. That's what we were looking for. It's gonna be fun walking actually and drinking milkshake on the way back up.
Yeah.
That'll make that walk a little bit more enjoyable. Alright, she's almost done with our milkshakes and they look amazing. Alright, so we had our little bus ride back from the Baja Bay to the port here. We made it back in time. We got our milkshakes. They were amazing and we had a great day at Baja Bay at the Baja Mar. It's a beautiful resort. I definitely recommend that. I almost feel like I like it better than the Atlantis, but I don't know, we're going to check out the Atlantis in a few days. We're going to be back here in Nassau, so we'll let you know what we think. Okay, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell and see where we're going next. Bye for now.